Hello students, welcome you all in my channel Learn to Grow. In this video, 40 important airports are given with their cities and states name. Also their change names. Watching this video, you will be able to solve the questions about airports. So watch the video till the end and boost your preparation. So here is Indira Gandhi International Airport. Indira Gandhi International Airport is an airport located in the city of Delhi. It serves as the international aviation hub of the Indian capital of New Delhi, as well as the rest of northern India. It is named after former Prime Minister of India, Srimati Indira Gandhi. It is the busiest airport in the country in terms of passengers and traffic. Next is Swami Vivekananda Airport. Swami Vivekananda Airport is the primary airport serving the state of Chhattisgarh. It is the second busiest airport in central India after Indore and busiest airport in Chhattisgarh. Formerly known as Raipur Airport and renamed after Swami Vivekananda as a tribute to the popular saint who spent a major part of his life in Raipur. Next is Jayaprakash Narayan International Airport. Jayaprakash Narayan International Airport is a customs airport located in Patna, the state capital of Bihar. It is named after independence activist Jayaprakash Narayan. Next is Lokpriya Gopinath Bordoloi International Airport. Lokpriya Gopinath Bordoloi International Airport is the primary airport of the northeastern states of India. It is the 11th busiest airport in India, located at Borjar, 26 kilometers from Dispur, the capital city of the state of Assam. The airport is renamed after late Gopinath Bordoloi, a freedom fighter and first chief minister of Assam. Next is Veer Savarkar International Airport. Veer Savarkar International Airport is a customs airport located 2 kilometers south of Port Blair. It is the main airport of the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, originally known as Port Blair Airport and renamed in 2002 after the freedom fighter Vinayak Damodar Savarkar. Next is Birsa Munda Airport. Birsa Munda Airport is the primary airport serving the city of Ranchi, the capital of Jharkhand. It is renamed after Indian tribal freedom fighter Birsa Munda. Next is Sheikh Ul Alam International Airport. Sheikh Ul Alam International Airport, also known as Srinagar Airport or Budgam Airbase, is a military airbase that serves Srinagar. Next is Baroda Airport. Baroda Airport is a domestic airport located in Baroda, Gujarat. It is the third busiest airport in Gujarat after Ahmedabad. It is named after the Maharaja of Baroda state. Next is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is an international airport, serves the twin cities of Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar in Gujarat. The airport is located in Hansol, which is 9 kilometers north of central Ahmedabad. It is named after Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the first Deputy Prime Minister of India. Next is Dublin Airport. Dublin Airport is located in Dublin, Goa state. Safdarjung Airport. Safdarjung Airport is in New Delhi, established during the British Raj as Willingdon Airfield. It started operation as an aerodrome in 1929. Next is Cochin International Airport. Cochin International Airport serves the city of Kochi in the state of Kerala. Cochin International Airport is the first of its kind which is developed under a public-private partnership model in India. Also, the first greenfield airport in the country. It is the busiest and the largest airport in the state of Kerala. Next is Mangalore International Airport. Mangalore International Airport serves the coastal city of Mangalore. It is one of the two international airports in Karnataka. Next is Kempegowda International Airport. Kempegowda International Airport serves Bangalore, the capital of the Indian state of Karnataka. It is named after Kempegowda first, the founder of Bangalore. It became Karnataka's first fully solar powered airport. Next is Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport is located in Mumbai, Maharashtra. It was formerly known as Sahara International Airport. It serves the Mumbai metropolitan area. It is the second busiest airport in the country in terms of total and international passenger traffic after Delhi. Next is Devi Ahilyabai Holkar Airport. Devi Ahilyabai Holkar Airport is an international airport that serves Indore and adjacent regions in the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh. It is the busiest airport in central India, located 8 kilometers west in Indore. The airport is named after Maharani Ahilyabai Holkar, who belonged to the Holkar dynasty. Next is Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj Airport. Chhatrapati Rajaram Maharaj Airport or Kolhapur Airport is a regional airport in Kolhapur, Maharashtra. Next is Kushok Bakula Rampoche Airport. Kushok Bakula Rampoche Airport is an airport in Leh, the capital city of Ladakh. The airport renamed after an Indian statesman and monk Kushok Bakula Rampoche. Next is Calicut International Airport. Calicut International Airport, also known as Karipur Airport, located in Karipur, Kerala. It serves the Malabar region of Kozhikode, Malappuram, Wayanad and Palakkad. Next is Chhatrapati Sambhajiraje International Airport. Chhatrapati Sambhajiraje International Airport or New Pune Airport is a proposed greenfield airport project to serve the city of Pune in Maharashtra. It will be named Chhatrapati Sambhajiraje International Airport and will be built near Saswad and Jejuri in Purandar Taluka of Pune in Maharashtra. Next is Navi Mumbai International Airport. Navi Mumbai International Airport is an under-construction greenfield airport being built at Panvel Urban, Navi Mumbai in Maharashtra. It will be the extension to the existing Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport as India's first urban multi-airport system. Next is Shri Guru Govind Singh Ji Airport. Shri Guru Govind Singh Ji Airport is located in Nanded, Maharashtra. Next is Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar International Airport. Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar International Airport serves the city of Nagpur, Maharashtra. The airport is located at Songaon, 8 kilometers southwest of Nagpur. In 2005, it was renamed after Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, the father of the Indian Constitution. Next is Biju Patnaik Airport. Biju Patnaik Airport is the primary airport serving Bhubaneswar, the capital city of Odisha. It is named after the former Chief Minister of Odisha, Biju Patnaik. Next is Imphal Airport. Imphal Airport is a domestic airport located 7 kilometers south of Imphal, the capital of Manipur state. It is the third busiest in northeastern India, after the Lokpriya Gopinath Bordoloi Airport and Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport. Next is Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport. Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport, also known as Agartala Airport, is a domestic airport located 12 kilometers northwest of the city of Agartala, the capital of Tripura. It is the second largest airport in northeast India after Lokpriya Gopinath Bordoloi Airport. Next is Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. Rajiv Gandhi International Airport is an international airport that serves Hyderabad, the capital of the Indian state Telangana. The airport named after Rajiv Gandhi, former Prime Minister of India. Next is Sri Guru Ramdas Ji International Airport. Sri Guru Ramdas Ji International Airport is about 17 kilometers northwest of the city of Amritsar, Punjab. It is named after Sri Guru Ramdas Ji, the fourth Sikh Guru and founder of Amritsar city. This airport is the largest and busiest airport in the Indian state of Punjab and second largest airport in northern India after Delhi Airport. The airport is ranked the 6th best regional airport in India and Central Asia in 2019 and 2020 by Skytrax. It is also awarded as the best airport in Asia Pacific in 2020 by Airports Council International. Next is Veer Surendra Sai Airport. Veer Surendra Sai Airport, it is located 5 kilometers northeast of Jharsuguda, Odisha. It is known as Jharsuguda Airport, which names after Veer Surendra Sai. The airport is second commercial airport in the state of Odisha. Next is Jaipur International Airport. Jaipur International Airport is the primary airport serving Jaipur, the capital of Rajasthan. It is located in the southern suburb of Sanganer, 13 kilometers from Jaipur. The Jaipur Airport was granted the status of International Airport on 29th of December 2005. The airport has been declared as the world's best airport in the category of 2 to 5 million passengers per annum for 2015 and 2016, according to Airports Council International. It is the 11th busiest airport in India in daily scheduled flight operations. Next is Rajamundry Airport. Rajamundry Airport is located at Rajamundry in the state of Andhra Pradesh. Next is Chaudhary Charan Singh Airport. Chaudhary Charan Singh Airport is an international airport serves Lucknow, the capital of the Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. It was earlier known as Amausi Airport, which is renamed in 2008 after Chaudhary Charan Singh, the fifth Prime Minister of India. The airport was constructed in 1980. Next is Agra Airport. Agra Airport is a military airbase and public airport serving the city of Agra in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Agra Airport proposed to rename as Pandit Deendayal Upadhyay Airport. Next is Bagdogra International Airport. Bagdogra Airport is an international airport located at the western part of the Siliguri in West Bengal. Bagdogra Airport is a gateway of the hill station of Darjeeling, Gangatok, Kalimpong, Kurseong, Mirik and other part of the West Bengal. Next is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport located in Dum Dum, West Bengal. The airport earlier known as Dum Dum Airport. In 1995, it was renamed after Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, a prominent leader of the Indian independence movement. Kolkata Airport is one of the oldest airports in India. It was opened in 1924. Next is Qazi Nazrul Islam Airport. Qazi Nazrul Islam Airport is a greenfield airport located at Andal, Paschim Bardhaman, West Bengal. It is named after Bengali poet Qazi Nazrul Islam. Next is Dehradun Airport. Dehradun Airport, also known as Jolly Grant Airport, is a domestic airport located 25 kilometers southeast of Dehradun. Dehradun is the capital city of Uttarakhand. Next is Chinyalisore Airport. Chinyalisore Airport, also known as Maa Ganga Airport or Dharasu Airport or Bharkot Airport, located in Chinyalisore of Uttarkashi district in the state of Uttarakhand. Next is Lal Bahadur Shastri International Airport. Lal Bahadur Shastri Airport is an international airport located at Babatpur, 26 kilometers northwest of Varanasi in Uttar Pradesh, formerly known as Varanasi Airport and renamed in October 2005 after Lal Bahadur Shastri, the second Prime Minister of India. Next is Jewar Airport. Jewar Airport or Noida International Greenfield Airport is a proposed international airport constructed near the town of Jewar in Gautam Buddha Nagar district, Uttar Pradesh. The airport will be served to Delhi, Noida and Greater Noida. The Greenfield Jewar Airport will be India's biggest airport in terms of the number of runways. So students, here I end this video. I hope you like it. Please like and share this video with your friends and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.